Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to record audio in Audacity on Windows. This is the main Audacity interface. At the top of the screen, you'll find the recording controls. Before recording, make sure your microphone is selected from the Audio Setup section. This allows Audacity to capture audio from the correct recording device. To start recording, use the red record button. While recording, your voice will be captured and displayed in the audio track area. When you finish recording, use the stop button to end the recording session. To listen to your recording, use the play button. Audacity lets you review your audio immediately after recording. If needed, you can record again, edit the audio, remove unwanted sections, reduce background noise, and improve the overall sound quality. After recording is complete, go to the File menu and choose Export Audio. You can save your recording as an MP3 or WAV file and choose any location on your computer. That's how to record audio in Audacity on Windows. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next video.